How to get 60% off United Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in United Airlines coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for United Airlines. Once you're in this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 75% off, $150 off, 5% off, $200 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can go ahead and click on the option of redeem at United Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account. Book your flight and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Likewise, head back. You can also check out this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for United Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 60% off United Airlines coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.